Amazon took 13 years to return a 10,000% profit to customers. It's taken Dogecoin 5 months to reach this point. According to Yahoo Finance, Doge reached a new all-time peak of 60 cents on Tuesday, bringing Dogecoin's market cap north of $70 billion and making it the fourth most valuable coin. That means that a $1,000 bet on Doge at the start of the year, when it was worth about half a penny, is now worth more than $100,000. It's a mind-boggling way to see the cryptocurrencies more than 10,000% gain this year, even though it was created as a joke. Before we move on, make sure you leave a like on this video, tap the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications, as it helps you get up-to-date information on developments on Doge and the broader crypto market. Don't forget that you can now join the channel as a paid subscriber for exclusive benefits. Check the join button next to the subscribe button, and don't forget to join the free Discord group via the link in the description. It's impossible to forecast how Dogecoin will perform in the future, despite the narrative of increased popularity. That alone could give every crypto investor pause, provided that the Federal Reserve's unlimited money printing is often cited by Dogecoin supporters as a key justification for preferring Bitcoin over the dollar. Yet Doge, which has lower transaction costs and faster settlement times than any other cryptocurrency, has another advantage even before Musk joined the team. More than 1.6 million people have joined the Dogecoin Reddit group, up from 1.3 million 3 weeks ago. As Will Dunn of the New Statesman points out, the growing network of people who are in on the joke could very well keep the explosion going. He writes, the South Sea bubble in 1720, railway mania in 1847, and the dot-com boom in the early 2000s all failed when the actual market practices that were being reported on were oversold. However, many Dogecoin investors continue to understand that the cryptocurrency would not become a means of trade or a long-term store of value. It's reminiscent of another quote popularized by Warren Buffett, a famed businessman who, coincidentally, has little interest in cryptocurrencies. You just find out who's been swimming nude as the tide goes out, he said. Dogecoin, unlike other cryptocurrencies, does not have a cap. Miners are still given a yearly reward of 5 billion coins to keep the network safe and running. There will be 180 billion Dogecoins in circulation by the year 2030. If Dogecoin is valued at $1 per token, its gross market capitalization would be $180 billion. It's not quite as massive as one would imagine if you think about it. There are around 18 million Bitcoins in circulation right now, with a market capitalization of about $900 billion. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, has a market cap of $200 billion. And Ethereum is similar to Dogecoin in that it does not have a coin cap. Musk has long praised the digital token to his over 50 million Twitter followers, and some believed that a mention of Dogecoin on national television could increase interest even further. But sadly, it didn't have the effect that most people had anticipated. But if you purchased Doge at the start of the year, you still made a lot of money in the last 4 months. A lot more than you would have if you had invested in other cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ether, which rose 95% and 369% respectively during the same period. Dogecoin, on the other hand, has grown more than 12,000%. Still, before you buy Dogecoin in the hopes of profiting from the surge, keep in mind that success and stability don't always go hand in hand. And many have warned of Dogecoin's bubble potential. When it comes to a speculative token like Dogecoin, don't put any capital into it that you aren't willing to risk completely. Many cryptocurrency newbies don't grasp the disparity between Bitcoin and Dogecoin price rises. While Bitcoin has built-in economic rewards for miners and a hard limit of 21 million Bitcoins, Dogecoin does not. Instead, curiosity on Twitter and Reddit are what spark its growth. In February, Elon Musk's Tesla became the first car company in the world to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment for its vehicles. And if a recent tweet from Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is any indication, the electric car maker may soon embrace Dogecoin as well. Musk raised a question to his Twitter followers this week, 2 days after referring to Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency that began as a meme, as a hustle on SNL. On the microblogging platform, the Tesla CEO has over 50 million fans and communicates with them daily. His current favorite topic is cryptocurrency, especially Dogecoin. In the past, the billionaire has gone under the moniker the Doge Father. He posed a fundamental question on Twitter. Do you want Tesla to accept Doge? At the time of recording, a vast majority of over 3 million people who've registered their opinion were in favor of Tesla accepting Doge as a form of payment. Though 78% of respondents wanted Tesla to embrace Dogecoin, only about 22% opposed the proposal. Some users, however, expressed their delight in response to Musk's tweet. He did, though, tweet something unexpected the next day. Next year, SpaceX will fly the satellite Doge 1 to the moon. Doge was used to pay for the mission. The very first crypto in space, it's the very first meme in space. To the moon, Musk took to his Twitter the day after his performance on SNL. At the start of 2021, a $1,000 stake in Dogecoin would be worth over $130,000 today. The same investment would be worth over $300,000 if you had bought the currency in 2019. 10,000 new Dogecoins are programmed to be released every minute, implying that the value was never supposed to hold. However, it's remained in the spotlight thanks to the efforts of everyone from Elon Musk to Mark Cuban to Guy Fieri and traders who have chosen to defy logic. Individual buyers, on the other hand, are ultimately pushing the price up. It's as much an inexpensive amusement that irritates the pro-trading culture as it is a serious financial vehicle for those determined to hold the crypto. They did, though, take it quite seriously enough to be outraged when Robinhood's crypto trading was suspended. Companies, on the other hand, are rapidly hopping on board. The Oakland Athletics started selling Dogecoin tickets earlier this year, and last week, Cuban stated that the Dallas Mavericks would complete 60,000 Dogecoin transactions in April, claiming that it is a cryptocurrency that people use rather than keep. Dogecoin fell to a late intraday low of 38 cents after falling short of the first significant support mark at 54 cents. It's equally broken through the first important support threshold of 44 cents and the 38.2% fib of 46 cents. Dogecoin also fell through the second main support level at 39 cents after the extended sell-off, finishing the day at 39 cents. Dogecoin was up 11% to 43 cents at the time of recording. Dogecoin fell to an early morning low of 35 cents before climbing to a high of 43 cents, indicating a mixed start to the day. To reach the 38.2% fib of 46 cents and the first big resistance stage at 48 cents, Dogecoin will have to prevent the plunge through the 43 cents pivot. However, for Dogecoin to break out of the 45 cents range, it would require support from the broader market. Any upside will most likely be capped by the first significant resistance level and resistance at 50 cents unless there is a prolonged crypto rally. If Dogecoin breaks out again, it can face resistance at the 23.6% fib level of 56 cents, as well as the second significant resistance level at 57 cents. If the market fails to prevent a plunge through the pivot at 43 cents, the first significant support level at 33 cents will be tested. However, unless there is another prolonged sell-off, Dogecoin can avoid falling below 30 cents. 28 cents is the second main support standard. In conclusion, the short-term market trends reveal further upside for Doge, and the currency is poised to hit $1 and then gradually rise to higher levels. The transition from currently low levels to higher levels is driven by the demand-supply balance, the shift away from cash, and the price of other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. For now though, thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. If you have any questions or comments, let us know below in the comments section, and don't forget, you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for exclusive benefits. Check the join button next to the subscribe button, and also don't forget you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description. Good luck and happy investing.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.